Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vuex. Today we are going to learn about the actions. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Actions in the Vuex are the functions that are responsible for performing asynchronous operations such as fetching data from an API, then committing the mutations to modify the state. They act as a middle layer between the components and the mutations, allowing for complex logic, asynchronous tasks, and handling the side effects before mutating the state. Next one, we have the purpose of actions in the Vuex. Asynchronous operations. Actions are suitable for handling asynchronous tasks like fetching data, performing calculations, or making API calls before updating the state. Modifying the state via mutations. Actions are responsible for committing the mutations to change the state after performing necessary asynchronous operations. We already know that. Let me take an example. So here we have the increment async. If I go over here, increment async, this is a dispatch, the increment async actions. If I go to the store, here we have the action that is increment async, an action to increment the counter asynchronously after 1 second. Then there is a commit, the increment mutation. So here we are committing the increment mutation. Same thing we are doing over here. Actions are responsible for committing the mutations to change the state after performing the necessary asynchronous operations for complex logic. Encapsulation of logic. Actions encapsulate the business logic, making it easier to manage and test complex operations separately from components. In a Vuex store, actions are defined inside the actions object. Okay, so always defined in an actions object. Each action is a function that receives a context object and its first argument, which provides access to the store state, mutations, getters, and other actions. Okay, so these are the actions. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.